What's up guys, today's video is on the best arc welders. We made this list based on our extensive research and testing and shorted it based on the features, price, quality, and reputation of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. We've included the links in the description below. Let's get started. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell so you get a notification when we upload new videos. Number 1. Forny Easy Weld 298 Arc Welder. One of the earliest welding techniques, this kind of welding is still popular with professionals and hobbyists alike. It is inexpensive since you don't need lots of tools. It is available for less than $300. However, the best option may not always be the most affordable. There are other factors to consider when purchasing an arc welding machine. While you aren't able to weld heavy metals using stick welders, it's not the only benefit to overcome this disadvantage. One reason is that stick welders are also available in AC/DC as well as AC or DC. They can be used indoors as well as outdoors. It's also better suited to welding metals that are at least 3 mm thick. The inherent advantages of this welding method make it extremely popular with deers, farmers, as well as professionals. Number 2. 250A. Arc welder machine. A little bit of an unknown entity. I was forced to do some research to discover this fascinating decision. It's not exactly the most beautiful looking vehicle, and it's not the most durable. What it is: a cheap arc welding machine that performs the task it's supposed to be assisting with. It's a superb stick welding machine for novices and could be the most affordable arc welding machine currently available today. Number 3. Sunco 110V Arc Welder. I've never actually tried this particular model, so I contacted a few users. The review was based upon their views about it. Shout to GF, who was able to provide me with lots of information that was valuable. In essence, it's an affordable and fun welding machine, and the build quality is not as good as the more expensive manufacturers in terms of fit and quality. But what makes it different is its price, and that it really functions efficiently, with excellent heat dissipation. It's an AC welding machine that is versatile for tossing into your vehicle and performing odd jobs around the house or for your neighbors. I would like to conclude that the new incoming model is a top option for your home, taking into account the cost and capabilities. Number 4. Lincoln Electric 60Hz Arc Welder. With looks that recall the older Lincoln models, such as the Lincoln SA200. Lincoln SA200. Personally, I really love the retro look. However, everyone has their personal style. I know a few friends who truly appreciate modern and simple models. However, it is extremely heavy, and as it is by far the largest on this list, with 115 pounds, 52 kilograms, and it is able to remove mobility from the list of things this model excels at. It's so heavy. Should you choose to purchase it, you need to think about a good welding cart and cabinet to transport it. It's powerful, however, it can be used with heavier and 16-gauge metals. This means that it's quite flexible in the use of cases. It could be a good option for some professional welders out seeking a 100-amp arc welding machine among different amps to use in the home. Number 5. Forny 235 Arc Welder. Forny is possible to believe that we have sponsorship from them or some such thing, since we have a lot of them over on Pro Welder Guide. It just happens that they make some of the top stick welders on the market. Some might argue, however, I've had a number of them, and although they're not premium super duper pros top machines for professionals, they're good enough for the majority of people, and they are priced right. It is sturdy and ideal for anything other than home use, although it can be used in an at-home workshop without issue. It is primarily for semi-professionals looking to upgrade their old home use model. At the time of writing this article, it's the most expensive option on the list. However, if you're looking for the best alternatives for your business, it is worth looking into. All the product links mentioned are in the description box. If this video helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell to keep up to date on the latest videos. See you guys later.